Welcome to KRC's Machine Tool Video Preview Series. Today we have a retrofitted 108-inch G&L vertical turning lathe. This machine has a table diameter of 108 inches with a 120-inch swing. The maximum height under the cross rail is 84 inches and the ram stroke is 62 inches with a 7.875 inch by 7.875 inch cross section, and the ram taper is a number 60. The feed rates range from 0.1 to 150 inches per minute, and the rapid traverse rates is 150 inches per minute. This machine weighs in at 150,000 pounds, and that's a lot of iron, resulting in a very solid piece of equipment. The table speed has two ranges from 2.5 to 150 RPM, and the rebuilt spindle motor is 100 horsepower. Payload capacity on the table is 250,000 pounds. The machine is fitted with a new Fanuc Series Oi TD CNC control and new Fanuc Alpha AC servo motors and drives. There is a new operator panel with a 10.4-inch color display and a new pedestal mounted enclosure. There is a new pre-wired back temperature-controlled NEMA 12 magnetic panel enclosure, and the machine has been completely rewired. This machine is equipped with a fully automatic 30-tool capacity automatic tool changer. A complete mechanical evaluation of the machine has been done, which includes cleaning and inspecting ball screws, rail lifting screws, the table transmission and bearings, and all wear materials. New wipers have been installed, and a rebuild of the lubrication system, hydraulic system, weigh covers, and chip conveyor has been done. The machine has been fully painted and comes with a complete documentation package and offered with a full 1-year mechanical warranty and 2 years on the CNC control, just like a brand new machine. Feel confident in your purchase because KRC is the best in machine tool rebuilds and retrofits. This machine is currently available for immediate delivery and installed in our showroom here in Independence, Kentucky. Please contact us for a personal demonstration of this machine. This has been another KRC Machine Tool Video Preview. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.